Hello everyone, my name is Tonya Johnson and I will be presenting my labs for WGD 235 website animation. I chose to go with a light colored palette to really let the images and animation stand out. I went with Montserrat Sans Serif font to show professionalism, character, as well as a welcoming feel. I chose the colors of white, light purple, cyan, pastel green, and pastel yellow. I chose different headings and different paragraph fonts. For the header of the website, I wanted to design a logo to be placed on the left side of the web page. Also, I chose some images. So I created a logo to go in the header of the website. I wanted to match the theme of an upscaled interior designer showing elegance. I chose 5 different images that show great decor in different areas of homes that interior designers usually transform. I included the image credits, before I started creating the design concept in Adobe Illustrator, I wanted to brainstorm different ideas, research the field of interior designers, and gather information. The selections made were based off the research conducted on interior designers, what they do, and how they usually set up their website. I wanted the website to look as though it belonged, as well as bring a new concept to website design. After researching and design conceptualization, I compiled everything and started to design the website mockup of the home page. This would serve as the baseline of the whole website. I used the light background of pale yellow to let the images stand out. The footer was designed to flow with the background as well as to integrate the harmony balance of naturistic resemblance. Using HTML5 and CSS, I was able to stylize and develop the homepage just like the mockup. I had to use varying techniques to achieve this design, including using a flex horizontal paired with UL and LI tags to create this type of navigation bar. I created a sitemap to serve as a guide through the website. This includes links to every page on the website. I researched and found some great code to help with making text animation for the hero text. The hero text fades in letter by letter and fades out on a never-ending repeat. I also created a button that lights up when you hover over it. This button will take you to the contact page. I wanted to incorporate techniques learned in the class by adding an animation with the use of JavaScript and drawing with Canvas. The fairy represents dreams, wishes, and endless possibilities. On the gallery page, I wanted to have a full-width slideshow to represent the images. This type of gallery is great to show off the interiors that have been designed. The slideshow is also coded to have a caption at the bottom to explain what each image is showing. There is also controls on the left and right side of the slideshow, letting you click to proceed to the next image or go back to the previous image. I created a contact page with a contact form that can be filled out. At the bottom, I included a scrolling option that lets you scroll to see more of the text area if needed. Incorporating techniques learned in class, I added an interactive graph to show the statistics of the company's area of expertise. This interactive graph is designed to match the color theme for the web page, and it activates on page load. I created a thank you page to let the viewer know that their contact form was successfully submitted. There is an interactive button on this page that, when clicked, takes you back to the home page. I filled out the contact form and submitted it to test it. I received an email with the subject as contact submission form to my email address with the information from the contact form. I had to code all of this information into a .php file. The contact form was successful. Our grand tour, this is our home page. Interactive text fading in and out. Navigation lighting up as you hover over with the footer, and the sitemap that lights up as well. The About page, we got the hero text fading in and out as each letter. We move the navigation up here, and the Contact Me button that lights up as you scroll over it. Here's some different columns and the canvas drawing. Our slideshow gallery, it shows that there's 1 out of 6 images, and on the left and right, your controls. If you scroll down, you see the caption area and the thumbnails of each images. And clicking through, you can see the caption changes to each image. And if we scroll down and click back on the first page, on the first thumbnail, you can see you can also just click on the thumbnails and it'll go right to that image. For our contact page, I'll go ahead and refresh the page. You can see it activates on page load. Let's go ahead and fill out the form. Let's see how this works. Takes you to our thank you page. Thank you for contacting us. We will be in touch with you very soon. Go back to the home page. Let's go ahead and test this out and see if we got our contact form submission in the email. And it's there. Contact form was a success. Writing code, this is what it takes to make a website. This is the code for the home page or for the about page. The home page, the gallery, contact page, thank you page, sitemap, this is the CSS which styles the page. Here's more CSS. Style for the buttons. out our JavaScript. Here's more JavaScript. This is JavaScript as well. JavaScript for the chart. This is the .php file. You can see where we had to change it up here. We named it the contact form submission sent to my email. Little message errors, just in case something wasn't filled out correctly, those error messages would pop up. And it is sent and redirected to the thank you page down here. And that's what it takes to code a basic website. In this course, we learned different techniques on animated web pages. I decided to make a full website to show different techniques learned in this course using canvas, charts, and interactive buttons and text. We learned how to code in JavaScript to animate the techniques. Thank you for watching.